It's a joint venture job with the Claremont Council and the PTA, and involves us undertaking the excavation for the placement of some reinforced culverts and bases and some reinforced retaining walls. But the job's quite involved in the way that we've had to excavate and cut away the existing abutments to the bridge on the underpass. We've engaged contractors for the placement of the slabs and the culvert sections and for the retaining walls. We've also had a contractor on board for the sealing and waterproofing. And we've self-managed with direct labour with the backfill and compaction of the culvert, our cut exercise anyway. So other people on board. We've got people engaged for concrete saw cutting when we were cutting out the sections of head wall, and various crane and handling companies to actually get all these big sections into place. Over the weekend we've taken out nearly 1,100 cubic metres of soil, levelled and screeded, ready to place bases for some culvert, for the culvert bases, and then the precast culverts placed on top, and then a pretty complex backfilling operation, obviously to get compaction either side of the culverts as we're reinstating the area around it. The trickiest part of the job was placing the retaining walls last night in the close vicinity to the power lines that run over the top of the rail track. I think at one point we were really close to a metre, but we managed well. Good supervision and a good crane lift study enabled us to get the end result that we wanted. We got it into place with no dramas. Last night then we placed two precast sections, one 13.5 ton and one 6 ton section, which are retaining walls and a part of the retaining structure for the side of the culverts and the bridge. And we're well underway, nearly at the completion of our backfill. We're just going to place some transition slabs, and we're going to install them this evening, and we'll just have a capping layer of sand and our limestone ready to hand the job back to PTA. Due to the size of the job, in in such a small area, it's been quite difficult at times with plant and pedestrian interfaces. So we've just had to manage that so that we don't have the risk of anybody having any accidents on site. It's run very well at the moment with no incidents reports. Hopefully into the night we should finish, perhaps I think, with about 12 hours of fat up our sleeve. So it's been a pretty good job. Been intense at times, and you know, credit to all the team who've put the effort in over the weekend to get it knocked out.